Homemade Multi-Guli Mata Strawberry Chocolate Cake Recipe. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel. Today, we have a delightful treat in store for you, a homemade Multi-Guli Mata Strawberry Chocolate Cake. This cake is a real crowd pleaser, perfect for birthdays, special occasions, or simply satisfying your sweet tooth cravings. So, let's dive right into the ingredients and preparation method. For this delicious cake, you will need the following ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1½ cups granulated sugar. 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 2 teaspoons baking powder. Half a teaspoon baking soda. Half a teaspoon salt. 2 large eggs. 1 cup buttermilk. 1/2 cup vegetable oil. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. For the strawberry filling, 2 cups fresh strawberries, hulled and sliced. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. For the chocolate ganache, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. 1/2 cup heavy cream. And don't forget the Multi-Guli Mata chocolates for decoration. Let's start with the preparation. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, whisk the eggs, sugar, buttermilk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract until well combined. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix until you have a smooth batter. Divide the batter evenly between the 2 prepared pans. Bake for 30-35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cakes are baking, let's prepare the strawberry filling. In a saucepan over medium heat, combine the sliced strawberries, sugar, cornstarch, and lemon juice. Cook until the mixture thickens, stirring occasionally. Now, for the chocolate ganache. In a microwave-safe bowl, heat the heavy cream until it begins to simmer. Pour the hot cream over the chocolate chips and let it sit for a minute. Then, stir until you have a smooth, glossy ganache. Once the cakes have cooled and the strawberry filling and ganache are ready, spread the strawberry filling evenly over the first layer. Place the second cake layer on top. Pour the chocolate ganache over the cake, allowing it to drizzle down the sides. Decorate with Multi-Guli Mata chocolates for that extra special touch. And there you have it, a delicious homemade Multi-Guli Mata strawberry chocolate cake that's sure to impress your family and friends. Thank you for joining us today as we made this scrumptious cake. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel for more tasty treats. Remember, you can find the complete list of ingredients and instructions in the video description below. Now, it's time to savor this cake. Trust me, it tastes as good as it looks. Until next time, happy baking! Thank you very much to Guli Mata cake lovers.